Hello YouTube, I'm David with the David West channel. Today I want to show you how to start a fire with just a tiny fragment of char cloth. A piece of char cloth that is smaller than a dime. I want to take and ignite it, flint and steel, and then we'll quickly go ahead and ignite some punk wood, and then we'll put that ember down inside a pine needles tinder bundle that also has some broken up and powderized punk wood down in it. Now, punk wood is wood that has been affected by the dry rot fungus. It's very lightweight. You can squeeze in on it and it'll spring right back out. It's about the best coal extender you can find. And you could also use this technique with ash tinder. Please visit my ash tinder playlist. It'll tell you all about it. And I'm just going to break up some of this bigger punk wood, sort of powderize it, put it down inside my tinder bundle. All right, I just tried it a couple times up close to the camera and fumbled with it and lost it. Let's do it on the sawhorse. I'm going to take and split this piece of punk wood and use it to hold the ignited char cloth, and then transfer the ember. Let's break it apart like that, and put our char cloth about a 1/16 of an inch behind that good sharp edge. And make sure it's laying down real well. You need to get out there and practice with coal extenders. They are a valuable resource. Bracket fungus, plant piths, ash tinder. It's going to take a second or two for that ember to transfer, so have a little bit of patience. Alright y'all, do me a favor, please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and in that drop down list, select all, and do give the video a like. I appreciate you joining me on this one. We'll catch you on the next one.